Hello YouTube, I am going to show you how to get to Rivet City from Megaton. It takes a while, so I might need to do it in parts. Hopefully I'll run into Enclave on the way so we can get a little action in here. What's that? Oh. Actually, the dumbest thing. What the? Is that the only one that saw that thing? Hold on. Let me check what the heck that was. Okay. Anyway, so Rivet City probably will take you about half an hour. I'm gonna do it as fast as I can, since I have the nice weapons that'll throw me right into it. Let's get my sword out. Alright, so I also have the gang here, just gonna help me burn right through. Perfect. I'm gonna show you how awesome this sword is now. If I could get one. Ooh, what happened over here? Are they betting on mole rats or something? Oh, it's a mole rat race. Oh dang. Race. Oh, I have to put something at the end for that. Alright, the reason why I had to go all the way over here is that on the other rock pile it's impossible to go up. I already tried. At least it's impossible for me. And where's that sniper? Alright. Take out the metal blaster here. Wasn't that hard. Alright. So right now we are at the Falls Church Metro. Let me walk around this. Sorry, today I got a little bit of a cold, so bear with me. Okay, this is Great Itch, where the fire ants are. I already killed the queen. I think this is Great Itch. Yeah, this is Great Itch. Alright. You'll probably discover a lot of places on the way to Rivet City. Those were regulators, but now they're piles of goo, as they decided to mess with me. But now I'm a good karma, so I have town company mercenaries after me. I used to have Jericho, but he just pissed me off. See, right in the middle of a battle, he decided to puss out and run away. He acted like a pansy in that too. It was really dumb. He ran away with all the armor and weapons that I gave him. And then when I go back to Megaton to pick him up, he says that he doesn't like the way I fight, so he's not going to rejoin me. I was pissed. So I ended up killing him to get my stuff. But when I did that, I accidentally killed the Church of Adam guy. I felt really bad when I did that. When you kill him, it's just like killing, oh, what's his name? Uncle Leo. Alright. Okay, now I remember. Hold on, there's gonna be a lot of raiders down here. Time for some sniper fun. Oops. That was fun. Ha! Suckers. Alright. So now you want to start heading down here to the water. Dang, this video is already 7 minutes. Ooh, it's that old lady's shack. When I was really bad, I decided to kill her because she had a lot of caps. I ended up having a big surprise because in this fridge had like 1 billion more caps than I thought it would. What is going on here? Anyway, I'm gonna cut it right now. So, see you next time.